Hi everyone. Good evening guys, all of you. Welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? So whenever you are subscribing to the Pleasant Iconic courses, don't forget to use the referral code RPCURLIVE. All of you. RPCURLIVE is a code for all activities, right? Whether you are purchasing Plus subscription or Iconic subscription, or you are enrolling for any new thing. So what is the code you have to maintain? RPCURLIVE is the code you have to maintain by default if you just observe. Okay, right. Anjalilu, good evening. GATE and ESE Civil Engineering by myself, you can say. And what is it? This is my profile. You can follow me at Twitch. You can find out my profile link in the description, right? Just below this video, that it is highlighted now, pinned by Unacademy account GATE ESE. So when you just click on that, what will happen automatically? You will be just redirected to my profile in Unacademy, and you can follow my profile in Unacademy there. Okay, right. Next. These are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform. You can see just observe, right? And coming to this, there is an offer going on up to which one? Up to tomorrow only, right? That up to 14th only this offer is going on, right? What is this offer? You can say when you are taking 12 months subscription, you will be getting this 2 months extra. When you are taking 24 months subscription, you will be getting this 3 months extra, all of you. Okay, don't miss this. And daily scholarship test will be there, right? So there are daily scholarship tests you are having. So don't miss this daily scholarship test, all of you. So rank 1 will have first ranker will get 50% scholarship, top 1 percentile will get 30% scholarship, top 10 percentile 15% scholarship, bottom 90 percentile which one is a 10% on the discount code normally, right? RPC Live is a code you have to use, right? Lena, hi, good evening. Right, coming to this, you can boost your preparation with which one? Quick 20 questions revisions, right? Quick 20 questions revisions of civil engineering on which one? April 13th at 1:30 p.m. if you just have, right? Don't miss this. GATE and ESE Rankers Summit, right? GATE and ESE, which one? This Rankers Summit, April 9th onwards, this Rankers Summit will go on. Every weekend rankers will come and explain what are the preparation strategies and all these things. They will be explaining if you just observe, you can say, is not right? So now these are the rankers, right? These are the rankers from which one? Unacademy in ESE 2021, right? Now these are the rankers from Unacademy in GATE 2022, you can say, right? And these are the new batches starting, all of you, right? ESE mains batch is started already. ESE mains batch is already started on April 11th, right? Just don't miss this, all of you. This one ascend batch for this GATE 2024, and what else we are having? This evolve batch, right? What is the next batch? You can say this evolve batch for this GATE 2023 is also starting, you can say, right? And these are all the benefits of what? These are all the differences between this Plus and Iconic subscription, you can say. Okay, now coming to this, those who are, right, yeah, those who are taking Iconic subscription for 1 year or more than 1 year, they'll be getting this physical notes for this GATE and ESE. Okay, and Unacademy Lite subscription is mainly regarding which one? This is a test series subscription, you can say, right? Like that. So coming to our discussion, right, I'll be starting this. So where we are discussing, what we are discussing, this linear measurements questions only we are discussing, na? Linear measurements questions only we are discussing, right? This 151 questions we are done, and we'll be continuing with other questions also, right? This is today's class will be part 18 of All-State PSC PYQs of surveying, you can say, is na? Right. So linear measurements, which one? This measurements, errors and correction, right? That part only we are discussing, right? No rain here in Hyderabad. Yeah, select the answer for this, every one of you. No rain here in Hyderabad. At some other places also it is raining. Yeah, what is the answer for this, everyone? Select the answer of you. Write the answer. Just write the question number and answer. Okay, write the question number and answer of you. No, I don't need coffee. I don't take coffee, na? Only water I'll take. Select the answer of you for this 152 question. Somebody? No one is writing the answer for this. I'm waiting for your options. Somebody select. Srinivas said D. Any other answer by others? Any other answer by others? You don't know answer. Why? No other answers by others, all of you. Others don't have any other answer, right? Anjaneyulu said C and Srinivas said D, right? Which one is the correct answer then, all of you? Which one is the correct answer, all of you? So here, error in making tape length, right? Error in making tape length and incorrect length of this tape, error due to temperature and tape not stretched horizontally, right? Which one you can say? Error in marking the tape length, right? Error in marking the tape length means, suppose if you are just marking, right? This is your tape or chain, let us say you are marking here, right? So sometimes what will happen, you may be marking at this place, sometimes what will happen, you may be marking at this place, right? When you are going for this next tape or next chain also here, what will happen? So sometimes you will be marking here, sometimes you will be marking which one, this outside, right? So what will happen, sometimes you will be representing lesser than that negative error, sometimes what will happen, this positive error, right? It can be anything, right? It can be anything, right? So it cannot be cumulative now. It is just which one, this is a compensative, you can say, right? It is just compensative, right? Yes, cumulative means adding. It need not be positive, Anjaneyulu, either it is negative or positive, but it is added together, right? It is which one, compensating. Incorrect length of this tape means it is cumulative, right? First you are having, you are telling it as a 20 meter tape length, but it is actually which one, 19.9 meter, right? Every time that 19.9, 19.9, 19.9, 19.9 only. So means 0.1 meter, 0.1 meter, 0.1 meter. How many number of chain measurements you are doing, or how many number of tape measurements you are doing, for that many number of measurements, that 0.1 meter error will be added. Okay, incorrect tape length or chain length, right? Now what is it, you can say error due to temperature. Suppose if it is a rise in temperature, that length will be increasing, right? So we are designating it as 30 meter, but it will be showing 30.1 meter, right? We are designating it as 30 meter, but it will show 30.1 meter, right? So what is it actually, we are representing 30 meter, but actual value is 30.1 meter, we are reporting 30 meter, right? Negative error will be there now. So next time also, next chain measurement also same. It is actually 30.1 meter, but you are reporting it as 30 meter. Next chain also, actually it is 30.1 meters, you are reporting it as 30 meters, right? Like that. So it is added for every chain, yes, absolutely, right? Tape not stretched horizontally. Yes, this is also cumulative only, you can say. Is not? Error in marking the tape length is only compensating type. It is not cumulative type, you can say. Is not? Right. I'll try to move on to the next question. Select the answer for this, all of you. Correction for pull, right? What is the correction for pull you are having? We just observe. Srinivas said A, Leena said A, and any other answer by others, all of you? So that correction for this pull will be equal to that P minus this P naught, right? P minus this P naught into that L by AE. No. Temperature means Anjaneyulu, what will happen with the temperature rate? Suppose if you consider a evening, some afternoon condition. In this afternoon condition, what you are doing? You are measuring which one? Suppose if you are going for which one? Suppose if you are going for which one? Afternoon chain measurement, let us say. In that afternoon chain measurement, what is happening? Either increase and decrease, right? So suppose if you are going with the chains or tapes for 2 hours time, right? In 2 hours you are going for 10 chains, let us say, right? When you are going for 10 chains in 2 hours, in these 10 chains, do you have that much fluctuation in the temperature, or this will be higher temperature only always, or either it will be lesser temperature only always? For this 2 hours, it will be almost the same temperature, you can say. So therefore, for the first measurement, within the first 5 minutes or 10 minutes, higher length. Next measurement also higher length. Third measurement also higher length. Fourth measurement also higher length. So always it is a higher length, higher length, higher length. If it is higher temperature na, is that no? Lesser temperature, lesser length, lesser length, lesser length, lesser length, right? Like that is clear. See, Lina, compensative means what? Sometimes it is positive, sometimes it is negative. Okay, what is it you can say? Compensating means one will be compensating the other, right? Compensating means sometimes positive, sometimes negative. Sometimes positive and sometimes negative, right? What is that cumulative you can say? Cumulative means it is always what is that? Always positive or always negative, right? Any one will be there. Like that, okay? Always positive means all positive errors will be added. Always negative means all negative errors will be added, right? Because of this temperature also, generally if you just observe, the temperature is higher throughout the day means whatever the chain lengths you are taking, it will be error only, obviously, right? Additive or cumulative in nature only, right? Like that. So what is it you can say? P is the applied pull minus a P naught, right? What is the P naught you can say? P naught is the standard pull, no? And what is that A? A is the area of cross section of this tape. And what is the E? You can say Young's modulus of elasticity of this tape material. L is which one? This length of the measured length, right? L is your measured length, you can say. So what is the option you can say? Option A will be the correct one, huh? Yes. Select the answer for this 154 question, everyone. Good evening, aspirant. Yeah. Aspirant said A and Srinivas said A. And any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others, everyone? Any other answer by others, all of you? Error due to bad ranging is right. Okay, very good. Right, all the best, Lina. So the error due to bad ranging is right. What is that error due to bad ranging? You can say error due to bad ranging is what? Instead of going like this, right? Let us say this is your first point A. This is your first point A. And how we need to go? Actually, we need to go like this, right? We need to go like this, right? This is your second point B, right? So what is it actually? That actual distance will be, right? What is it actual distance will be? Actual distance will be this 30 meters, just for an example, or 80 meters, let us say. Now because of this bad ranging, what will happen? Because of this bad ranging, it will be going out of this straight line, and you are providing it like this, let us say, right? One more ranging, right? You are providing like this, and it will become which one? This 83 meters seconds, right? 83 meters is which one? 83 meters is the tape or chain measured value. Now tell me, always, right? Always because of this bad ranging, what will happen? Instead of representing the straight distance, right? Instead of representing the straight distance, we are going for which one? This inclined distance like this. Now we are going for this inclined distance like this, right? So whenever you are going for this inclined distance, like this, what happens, all of you? Whenever you are going for inclined distance like this, so you are representing more than actual, na? Since you are representing, right? Since you are representing more than actual, right? Since you are representing more than actual, what will happen, right? Since represented or reported value is, since a reported value is more than actual value, right? How much extra we are reporting? So 80 meters is actual distance between A and B. Because of this bad ranging, intermediate ranging rod has come into picture here, and it will be measured as 83 meters, right? So reported will be how much? 83 meters, and actual will be 80 meters. So what is it? Since this reported is greater than the actual, you are representing which one? 3 meters higher value, right? 3 meters higher means it is a positive error only, right? Always it is a positive error only, no? Always due to this bad ranging is positive error only, or not? Yes, always due to the bad ranging, it is positive error only, you can say, right? Always it is positive error means, and also it is cumulative, na? First measurement it is positive, second measurement positive, and third measurement also positive, right? Every measurement is positive means it is just a cumulative and positive, na? Yes, a cumulative, and that too positive only is correct, right? Positive or negative will not happen. Is that clear, everyone? Right? Shall I move to the next question? Yeah, select this 155. Yeah, aspirant current affairs for exams are how to read. The daily preparation is better or weekly? Daily is better. Daily you spend some half an hour time or sometime like that. Daily you spend some half an hour time or 1 hour time for current affairs. So daily update. Daily be in touch. Okay, with the current affairs, you can say. Okay, that is better, right? Srinivas said D. And another answer by others? Aspirant said D. And any other answer by others, all of you? Yadavika Yadav also said D. Any other answer by others, all of you? Any other answer by others? Good evening, Yadavika. Any other answer by others? Anjaneyulu said B, 155B. Okay, we'll see this, right? We'll see this, right? What is the correct answer if you just observe? What is the correct answer? We'll see here if you just observe, right? So, what is the correct answer for this, everyone? What is the correct answer for this if you just observe, right? What is that is example for an obstacle that obstruct both chaining and ranging, right? What is it that obstruct both chaining and ranging, right? If at all it is a lake, if you just observe, what is that lake it is doing? What is that lake it is doing if you just observe? Whenever you are having these 2 points A and B on either side of this lake, right, what will happen? What will happen? You can say ranging and chaining, right? Ranging means visibility. You can establish these intermediate points easily, na? Do you have any problem of establishing these intermediate points? No problem. Ranging is possible, but chaining is not possible, right? Chaining is not possible, right? So lake is not the correct answer. Next, river. River is also the same thing, na? Whenever you are having this river, right? Yes, Sonu Singh also said B. Whenever you are having this river, here also we can establish the intermediate points between them, na? Already we have seen these points if you just remember previously. You can establish these intermediate points, you can say. Do you have any problem? No problem, right? And so obstruct chaining only, right? This lake and river, they will just obstruct chaining, and ranging is possible, yes, na? And building, if you just observe, a hillock, if you just observe, in case of this hillock, right, in case of this hillock, ranging is possible or not possible, you can say. Direct ranging is possible or not possible, you can say. So here, is it possible or not possible if you just observe, right? This is one ranging rod and this is your instrument, you can say, right? Is it ranging possible? Not at all possible, right? Is it chaining also possible? Whenever it is a hill, na, can you place your chain properly in case of hill? You cannot place your chain in case of hill properly, okay? You cannot place your chain in case of hill properly, right? So because you don't know how many undulations are there, so we cannot get it easily, right? We cannot get it easily. It's not. Whenever it is a building, what happens then? Whenever it is a building, what happens then? Suppose if it is a building, these are the 2 points you are having, right? These are the 2 points you are having. Now, okay, first of all, ranging is, okay, intermediate points you cannot establish, right? Ranging is not possible. That ranging is not possible, and chaining, yes, it is possible. How can you do it? You can just do the chaining like this, right? You can just do the chaining like this, right? Chaining is possible, but ranging is not possible. Yes, na? Yes, correct, right? So which one is correct? Hillock is correct answer, na? Yes, hillock is only correct answer. You can say if you just observe, right, like that. Building chaining only possible. Yes, correct. Anjaneyulu. Building chaining only possible, right? Shall I move to the next question? 156 question. Select the answer. For this 156 question, select the answer of you. Select the answer for this question of you. 156th. Sonu Singh said yeah. Anyone else? Any other answer by others, all of you? Srinivas said C. If you just observe what is other answer, right? Shall we start discussion? Right, the area of this square plot of a land was found to be 204.5 meters square, right? What is that? You can say that area measured, right? What is that area measured? You can say area measured is equal to 204.5 meters square. According to the scale mentioned in plan, it was mentioned that 20-meter chain used for measuring the plotting was 0.015 meter too long. Then the actual area of this plot of the land is, right, 156B, Lina. Okay, we'll see. What is that? You can say it is which one? This 0.015 meter too long, right? 0.015 meter too long. If you just right, what is that chain? 20-meter chain only, not 20-meter chain, right? Do you remember that? If you just all of you, that L true will be equal to, what is that? L true will be equal to that L wrong. True length is equal to that measured length into, what is that? You can say true length is equal to that measured length into which one? This chain length true, right? True chain length divided by which one? This LC designated, right? Designated length, you can say. Designated length, you can say, if you just observe, right? Yeah. So whenever it is area, true area, if you just observe, whenever it is this true area, what is that? You can say area measured, right? Already we have done this kind of questions previously, right? True area will be equal to which one? This area measured, right? Area measured into which one? This LC, chain length, true chain length divided by this chain length designated or wrong, you can say, whole square, right? What is that area measured? You can say that 204.5 meter square is the area measured, right? What is that true chain length? So it was designated is 20 meter diameter, but actually how much it will be? 20.015, not 20.015 is the actual length, right? A true length, right? Then tell me, what is that true area? Yes, Sonu Singh, it is D, right? What is the true area, everyone? What is the true area, everyone? Hello, all of you, how much you are getting? It is 204.8, right? 204.806 meter square. 204.806 meter square means which option is correct? Option D will be correct answer, na? Yes, option D will be the correct answer, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? Shall I move to the next question? Yes. Shall I? Right, okay. This one, try to answer. Select the answer for this 157 question, all of you. One 157A. Lina, any other answer by others? Same concept, na? On this concept, every day we are doing at least one question or two questions, right? Now you imagine how much important these concepts are. Now you imagine how much important these concepts are, all of you. So don't miss these concepts, everyone. Any other answer, brothers? All of you? You are getting 5.1. Okay, let us check. Shall we check? So after our friends are answering, we'll just check it. Don't worry. We'll just check it. Don't worry. We'll just check it, Sonu Singh. Don't worry. Okay, a line was measured using a 10-meter tape, which was 20 centimeter too long, right? 20 centimeter too long. And what is the true length of this line, whose length is measured as 5 meter, right? What is that L measure, so what is that L true, you can say same na, that L true will be equal to that L measured, right? L true will be equal to that L measured into what is that LC, right? What is that LC, you can say LC how much, LC true, right? Chain length or tape length true divided by which one, LC designated, right? LC designated, if you just observe, right? What is the LC designated? L measured is 5 meters, na 5 meters into, right? What is the true length of this tape? 10 meter tape actually, which is 20 centimeter too long, right? 20 centimeter too long means how much it comes to be? 10.2 na, 10.2 divided by what is that designated length? 10 meter, you can say, right? How much it comes to be then, all of you? How much it comes to be, everyone, then? What is this final value it comes to be then? 5.1 meter na, 5.1 meter is the actual answer, right? But what is the nearby answer, you can say? Well, so is there any answer or no answer? So no answer if you just observe, right? Is there any answer or no answer? No answer if you just observe, right? 5.1 meter is the correct answer, right? But will there be, there is no answer means what is that nearby answer, you can say? What is that nearby answer if you just observe? That nearby answer is equal to that 5.2 meters, right? Nearby answer is equal to which one? This 5.2 meters, right? Which options are nearby? It is 5.01, it is 5.20. Yes, na? It is 5.01, it is 5.20, right? Anyone is okay, right? 5 is also nearby answer, right? Actually, I think so. These are, yes, both are nearby, right? Both are nearby, correct, absolutely, right? Both are nearby only. But actually, can we represent 5, Anjanelu? Can we represent 5 or we cannot represent 5? Originally given itself was 5 meter, means it should be more than 5 definitely, na? Anjanalu, why can't we represent this 5 meter is because the measured value itself is 5 meter. Then after correction also will it be 5 or it should be more than 5 definitely? It should be more than 5 definitely, right? Right, it should be more than 5 definitely, right? It should be more than 5 definitely. Is that clear? Yes, na? Right. So now, shall I move to the next question of you? Even though 5 meter and 5.2 are both are equally nearby, we have to select 5.2 only because the answer must be more than 5, right? Which answer is more than 5? 5 or 5.2 is more than 5? 5.2 is more than 5. But actual answer is what? But actual answer is what? This is your correct answer, right? 5.1 meter is the correct answer, you can say. Yes, na? It should not be lesser than 5. It should not be lesser than 5, right? Not lesser than 5, right? It should not be lesser than 5. Not lesser than 5. Which answer is there? Only one option, 5.2 is there, na? Yes or no? Right. So I'll start the poll for this next question, right? 158th question, tell me. Anjanelu, again you are confusing, right? Again you are confusing. I'll explain that, don't worry. Okay, once it is done, I'll explain that. Okay, don't worry. Already I have written somewhere, na? Chain is too long means what? Chain is too long means what? How can I give you poll? Your poll is not possible, na? I'll tell you, I'll explain that, Anjanelu, again. Every day you are getting confusion, right? Every day you are getting confusion because of that. Don't get confusion, okay? So correction due to slope actually, right? What is the correction due to slope? Look, you can say these are the 2 points A and B if you just right. These are the 2 points A and B, and this is which one? This L true na? This is a true distance between the A and B, and what is that? You can say this is your designated or measured distance between this A and B na? No. Since measured distance is higher or actual distance is higher, right? Measured distance is greater, right? Measured or reported distance, right? Measured or this reported distance will be higher than the actual distance, right? So when you can say it is positive error, so therefore it will be right, therefore it will be positive error always or not? Therefore it is a positive error always or not? Whenever it is a positive error means that correction will be which one? This is a negative error na? Right? So what is this? Let us say, just for an example, this is your 50 meter, this is your 50 meter, let us say this is your 52 meter, right? What we are doing, Anjaneyulu, you observe here, instead of, right, what is it? Yes, correct, Sonu Singh. Instead of 50 meter, what we are reporting? 52 meter, right? 52 meter is reported. Instead of reporting 50 meters, we are reporting which one? This 52 meters, right? Therefore, obviously, error will be positive error or negative error. We are reporting more than the actual value, right? When we are reporting more than the actual value, means it will be positive error, it will be negative error, definitely. It will be positive error, definitely, na? Instead of 50 meter, 52 meter reported is means a positive error, right? Positive error, and correction will be what? Negative correction, right? Negative correction, you can say, is na? Right? So what is that negative correction? Right? Here in the question, correction is given as a negative, because right? Correction is given as negative, right? Is that clear, Anjaneyulu, now? Is that clear, Anjaneyulu, now? See, somewhere we heard written yesterday, if you just remember, chain is too long, right? Chain length is too long. What happens? Yesterday we have written somewhere, right? Yesterday means previous class, right? What is that? So if actual length of this chain, right, that is your L actual na? L actual length of this chain is greater than the standard or designated length, then it is a negative error, right? So what is that? Actual length means what? Let us say it is a 30.5 meter. Let us say it is 30.5 meter. Designated is 30 meter only. So we have to report 30.5, but we are reporting 30 meter now. So means what we are doing? Instead of 30.5, we are reporting 30 meters, means 0.5 meter lesser value we are reporting na? Whenever we are reporting 0.5 meter lesser value, it is negative error, positive correction. So here L actually is, let us say that 29.5 meter, but L designated is which one? This is 30 meter, right? So instead of reporting 29.5, we are reporting it as 30 meter, right? Means we are reporting more than the actual. More than the actual means positive error and negative correction. Is that clear, Anjaneyulu, no? Is that clear, everyone? Is it clear, Anjaneyulu, or not? Is it clear? Yes? Okay. I'll be closing the session with this, right? With this, what is happening? With this, what is happening, all of you? With this, what is happening, right? With this, what is happening? That linear measurements gets over, right? With this, what is happening? Linear measurements gets over, right? So next on which date, you can say, next on which date? On this 13th over na, it is on 15th, right? Tomorrow also that general class will be there. On 15th, what you will be having? Compass survey I will start, okay? Everyone, I will start this compass survey PYQs, right? I will start this compass survey PYQs on which one? On 15th, right? Tomorrow there is no class. On 15th, I will be starting this compass survey, you can say, right? Like that. You want me to share the PDF? I will be sharing this PDF in this community and groups. So what is that password, you can say? What is the password, you can say? Password is what? Password I will keep it as what? This linear, okay? LINEAR, linear, okay? this is a password I will use, right? PDF for this second chapter I will be sharing, right? PDF for this second chapter I will be sharing. So what is that? Linear, you can say, right? Linear, you can say, right? See, Anjaneyulu, actual. So okay, password Lina, no, password is linear, not Lina. So what is that? Actual, okay, actual and other than designated, right? Actual, true, both are same, right? Actual and true both are same, right? What are the same names for actual? Actual and true both are having the same name. And other one is what? Measured or wrong. Measured or wrong, both are having the same name, okay? Measured or wrong or designated, right? Both are which one? All the three names are same, right? Measured or designated or wrong, all the three are same. Actual or true or existing will be the synonyms for the three names, you can say, right? Synonyms for which one? This is actual, you can say, okay? Shall I close the session, everyone? Anyone having any doubts in our discussion till now? Anyone having any doubts now? Anyone having any doubts? Shall I close? Yes, I'll be closing the session. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. Okay.